Completing your profile in the Awin interface ensures you are visible to advertisers in the publisher directory. Only profiles that are 100% complete will be visible. This will allow advertisers to search for and add you to their programs. To access your publisher profile, go to the Account tab and select Overview, located underneath Profile. A profile completion window will prompt you to enter all missing information. For new joiners, you will typically need to complete the description and add a profile picture. To add to or confirm your description, simply click in the description box, add your text, and then click the green check mark. The more comprehensive your description is, the more likely advertisers are to work with you. To add a profile picture, click on the empty box above your profile name and click the Browse button. Profile pictures must be in JPEG, GIF, or PNG format and can be no larger than 4 megabytes. Once you have a file selected, upload your picture and click Save. You may need to refresh the page for the change to fully take effect. Providing your payment detail information is essential to ensure you are paid for all of your affiliate activity. To access your payment details, go to the Account tab and select Payment Details underneath Settings. There are 2 sections you'll need to complete: Tax Details and Bank Details. Under Bank Details, pay attention to what you select for payment frequency, how often you are paid, payment method, how you are paid, and payment threshold, what amount you need to reach before you are paid. You will need to fill out a separate bank details entry for each Awin promotional region where you receive commission. Once your profile and payment details are complete, it is time to join an advertiser program. To access the advertiser directory, go to the Advertisers tab and select Join Programs. This will bring up a list of all the programs on Awin that you are not joined to. Use the filters in the left column to refine your search. As an example, I have filtered my search by retail and shopping, and then DIY. You can also filter by country. Other search filter options are product feed, payment status, and optimized for mobile or lead generation. Your results will appear in a table with several columns of information. You can extract these results into an Excel document by hovering over Options and selecting your desired format. You can also click on Detailed View to see more information like a company description and commission information. Once you have selected an advertiser program you wish to join, click the plus sign at the end of their row. This will generate their terms and conditions. Please review these, as it includes important information on the types of promotions and publishers allowed to work with an advertiser. After reviewing, select a website or promotional type to indicate how you plan to promote this advertiser. While optional, including a brief message to the advertiser about you and your brand is encouraged. To complete your application, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Join to submit your application. Awin offers multiple tools to generate affiliate links. One of these tools is Link Builder. To access Link Builder, go to the Links and Tools tab and select Link Builder. In the advertiser box, select Joined, and then scroll until you locate the advertiser for the link you want to build. In this example, we will be using Etsy. Now copy-paste the URL of the page or product you want to promote into the destination URL field. You should notice that text has now appeared in the box titled Your Deep Link. Click references are optional, but great for helping track the performance of individual links. Underneath the deep link box, you have the option of creating a short link, which can create a cleaner link if you do not plan to hyperlink but display the actual URL. Once these steps are complete, simply copy and paste the link to your site. Awin offers multiple tools to generate affiliate links. One of these tools is Convert a Link. Convert a link is a piece of script that will automatically convert regular links on your website into affiliate links. You can access it by going to the Links and Tools tab and selecting Convert a Link. It works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Click the button to switch on Convert a Link. Step 2. Copy and paste the JavaScript at the bottom of the body element for each of your web pages. Step 3. Watch as the normal links convert into affiliate links. Awin offers multiple tools to generate affiliate links. One of these tools is MyAwin. MyAwin is a browser extension that allows for easy promotion of advertisers through the Awin network. You can download MyAwin by selecting it under the Links and Tools tab of the interface. This will redirect you to the Google Chrome Web Store, where you can download the browser extension for free. MyAwin lets publishers join programs, quickly generate shortened tracking links, share links on social media with one click, generate custom URLs, and generate links to the specific product pages. Awin offers publishers several advertiser creative options. To view an advertiser's creative, go to the Links and Tools tab and select My Creative. Under Type, select the style of creative you are looking for. Under Dimensions, you can select the size. Finally, under Advertisers, you can select any specific advertiser. In this example, we searched for an HP image banner that was 468 by 60. Once you locate the creative you want to use, click View Details to view the code needed to add the creative to your website.